Hi, this is Beits with Gallop Technology Group. On this video, I'm going to share with you how to access our client's tickets portal and how to manage your tickets from within that portal. In order to access the portal, you're going to go to the contact, mouse over the contact on our website and client's tickets portal. That's one way you can get to this login screen. Another way to get there is if you create a ticket or get an email from our ticketing system, any email, you'll be able to open that email and scroll down to where you see the ticket number, and we're always going to have the ticket number hyperlinked, so when you click on it, it will take you to the same login portal over here. When we set up the portal for you, we created the username for you, usually it's your email address, and you should have received a welcome email. The welcome email looks like this. It has a link over here for you to click on and create a new password. If you cannot find this email, that's no problem. Just go into this portal page, put in your email address over here, and click on I forgot my password. You will get an email with instructions on how to reset the password, and from that point, you'll be coming back here and you're going to be able to log in. When you log in for the first time, it's going to ask you to set up two-factor authentication. If your company uses Duo Authenticator, I suggest you use that program. If not, you most likely have the Microsoft Authenticator on your cell phone. And if not, you can install either the Microsoft one or the Google one. Either program will work fine, and what you do is you go to that app on your phone. There's going to be usually a plus sign that allows you to scan a QR code on the app, and once you scan it, it's gonna give you the option to get the 6-digit code that you're gonna need to enter over there. I'm gonna put in the code right now, and I'm gonna enable 2FA. From now on, if you have to log in, you will be required to use that password and the 2FA code. If you at any point have a problem logging in or need to reset the 2FA code, you just need to reach out to us, please. Now that we're in, we can see the list of open tickets real quick over here. And we can see the status of the ticket also. This is a new ticket. That means we haven't yet replied to it. This is a ticket that customer note added, which means that we replied, you replied to us, to our team. We can create a new ticket over here. And let's do that together real quick. Let's assume this is an Outlook issue or email issue, or if it's a printer issue, for example, and you can't find anything related to hardware or peripherals, and just choose the unsure other. Click on continue. And this menu, by the way, is going to change over time. We're adding more features and more options over there. The title can be, let's say, scanner not working. The contact is going to be you, but if you logged in as a manager, then you will be able to see all of your team's tickets over here, or you can create a ticket on behalf of somebody else. But when we logged in as just a regular user, we're going to see only ourselves. The contact information is injected automatically by the system, and on the description over here, I tried to install the scanner and got an error message. Now, we're going to ignore the configuration item, and we're going to click on Save and Attach File. And I'm going to then attach the screenshot, and you will be able to show us what we need to look at. So let's attach my picture over here, and the name is going to be Scanner Error Message, for example. And we can add more file if we want. We're going to click on Attach File, and we can click on Save and Close. Now we have the new ticket, and there's an attachment over here. Our team just got an email notification and a pop-up on our ticketing system that a new ticket has been created, and you can see the ticket number over here already. Let's close this window, and you can see now we have 3 tickets. 2 of them are still showing new. And I want to show you what we are looking at as a customer when we look at this field over here. I'm going to suggest you click on the column chooser, and you can add a couple of fields. First of all, you can double click to add priority, status, and we can maybe add a complete date if you want to see if the ticket has been completed at a certain point, who created the ticket if you're a manager, and so on. I'm going to click on Save and Close, and we can see over here that the ticket has today ticket number T for ticket 2025-01-15. It's today's date, and this is like a serial number of the tickets. And we can see this ticket is new. Let's say you want to add a note for the ticket and update us about something. Click on the ticket over here, and you're going to add a quick note over here. I missed a call from you. Please call me back at this number. Submit. We immediately get this ticket update, this note, and we then reply to it as soon as we can, or call you back, or whatever is asked at that point. When we update you, you'll get an email. When we update the ticket, and add a note, you're going to get an email as well. And you can see here, for example, this ticket we played with before to demonstrate, and you can see that Joe Biden, the customer, which is you, sorry if I'm offending you here, wrote a note, and then our engineer replied. This is what I replied with, and this is how you can see all the history of the ticket at any point. This is, in a nutshell, our ticketing system, and go ahead and log in, play with that, and let us know if you have any issues or questions or suggestions. Thank you so much.